Just a very quick video. Well, I mean, they're all very quick, they're short. Um, I had a bit of an issue with the photocopier today. It wasn't working for me properly, so I started swearing in Irish to try and obviously less people will understand. That probably would, well, they will probably intuit from the tone of my voice that I wasn't best pleased. But one of the very common swear words in Eris is smallo ort, which means like curse on you. And you sometimes have that the expression for chrán smála under I don't know, under the thumb or something like that. I suppose is maybe a translation in kind of like a curse, I suppose. Um, you would use it quite a lot. It's very common, it's like feck yeah or damn yeah or whatever. And you'd use it like you use it for things or for people or for whatever you fancy. And there's a really really severe swear word called which goes it derives from funerary practices where you would tie kind of a scarf around the head of the corpse to try and prevent the jaw from opening. And the name for that was the Modafoshk. And if you really didn't like someone, you'd say Modafoshkart. Um, there's another kind of one that's sort of very common, I think, throughout the Gaelic, which would be like Gijowl, go Gijowl that. So if someone was annoying you or something was annoying you, you'd say Gijowl that, go to hell.